my gosh, everybody's always talking about networking. You gotta get out there and network. You gotta connect with people. It's not what you do, it's not what you know, it's who you know and what they do. I don't even know where to go to network. Where should I even go to network? Start in your own backyard. Throw a barbecue. Look over the fence and start talking to your neighbor. Do you know how many people live in their homes for years and don't even know their neighbor's name? Go to the dog park. Go to the grocery store. Go to the mall, an ice cream shop, a restaurant. Go inside the bank. Don't go through the drive-thru. Go stand in line where there's some people you can talk to. Go to that wedding. Go to that baby shower. Go to that housewarming. Go outside. You won't see some people. Look up the definition of networking. Tell me where it says you have to be at an event, a networking event to network. I'll wait.